You got married to your partner without an ante-nuptial contract. This means in South African law that you are automatically married in community of property. What this means for you is that everything of your estate and your spouse's estate is automatically combined. What can you do now? Can you still change your marital regime? Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. That's exactly what we're going to be covering in today's video. And the answer to it is absolutely yes. You can apply to court in order to change your marital regime. So even if you didn't have an antenuptial contract when you got married and now you want to change your system, it is still possible. The way to do it is to apply to the High Court, your nearest High Court. You make an application to have your matrimonial system changed. What the judge will be looking for in particular is the following. Number one, the creditors, and you need to think about your home loans, you need to think about your car installments, bank cards, overdraft, creditors, any kind of creditors. They have been properly notified in advance of your intention to change your marital system. And none of them have any objections to that. The second thing is there must be no prejudice. In other words, you can't have one spouse who has racked up a whole bunch of debt and now all of a sudden he wants to change his marital system. The court's not going to accept that. So in summary, if you are married without an antenuptial contract, you are automatically married in community of property. It's not too late. You can still change your marital system to out of community. The way to do it is to apply to court in order to have your marital system changed. It is possible, but you've got to apply. If you need help in your situation, whether you need family law advice or changing your marital system, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.